I just buffed out this side. Came out pretty clean. Still, you can still tell a little bit, but this little thing right here, I guess you probably have to sand the headlights versus just trying to do it with the little mother's PowerPlastic for lights. Yeah, this little bottle, I think it was like $8, $10. Pretty good though. Like I said, if I didn't have that little messed up spot right here, it would have came out pretty clean. But it still got a little bit of yellow on it. But I mean, it's pretty smooth, man. It's definitely, you can feel the difference, like between both sides. Both sides is a huge difference. Y'all look at that side. You go over there, look at this side. All that yellowness up there. Yeah, but this side, the good side, so I'm gonna go ahead and knock this side out too. I don't know if you can see that side, the difference between the two. You can definitely see it on the top of the light, how it's more yellow on that side, and it's way more clear on that side. But yeah, I'm gonna get to it, show y'all taping off the lights. Pretty simple. Pretty straightforward. Oh yeah, what I got the little $16, $17 drill from Harbor Freight. Clearance, boy. Pretty smooth. And I got some buffing pads that go with it from eBay. And that little attachment. Some painter's tape. A little 3M green one, never go wrong with it. And of course I got the body armor to keep me screwed up, bro. Gotta stay hydrated, especially today. It's 90 degrees outside. Ain't no jokes being played, man. But it looks a lot better though. A lot better. A lot better, bro. I'm gonna give y'all a little closer look at that. But if I was to pull it out in the sunlight, y'all can see a huge difference, bro. Here you go. Yep, see that? It's a lot clearer. That you can see if you were like in person, you can see definitely like up close. Still a little bit like in these top corners, but professional, man. Quick and easy though. Probably take you like 10 minutes to do both sides. I'm talking like taping it and buffing it. But I'm gonna get to it. Alright, I got it taped off. I'm gonna show y'all how to just, you gotta dab it in first, bro. Just dab that joint in. I'm trying to look on the camera and look at the thing first. I'm doing it with my left hand. Trying to get y'all a good view. I ain't good at this, bro. I ain't good at this at all, bro. I'm trying. I'm doing it though. Doing it. Make sure you get them corners up there. And now you would want to just go ahead and start buffing it. Now that you got it like all condensed down like that, bro. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit this joint. See, look at that. It's hard to do one-handed. I don't know if y'all even caught that, but I just get all over the place. Just like that. Gotta try to be easy on the throttle. Yeah, I'm gonna watch part first. Now we go ahead and this top part. This top part is kind of hard though. Gotta get in the corners too, bro. Alright, I think y'all get it. I'm gonna try to finish this up, hit it one more time with this, and I'm gonna show y'all what it looking like fully afterward. Alright, y'all. Final product. Now it's time to do the fun part. Take this tape off, bro. I done already started with y'all low key. Low key, bro. Pop. Yeah, it's pretty smooth. But like I said, you would definitely get like a more thorough result if you did it like the 1000% proven way, which would be the sanding and then polish them with actual polish, not just the regular old cheapo AutoZone special. But I mean, they did a pretty good job, bro. Pretty smooth job, bro. Pretty smooth. Pretty smooth. I cannot complain. So yeah, if y'all want to try some of this out, bro, I say go for it. Get some of it. It's pretty smooth. I should try it on these little bottom pieces, these bottom fogs. But they kind of ashy too. They look ashier than they do on camera in real life. Dang. I don't know. Should I try it? I know that with this black plastic, if you were to get that on there, it'd definitely show it. I don't know. I might just try it, y'all. I might. Alright, y'all, I did it. And it looks way better, bro. It looks way better. Once again, this little mother's bottle, man. I don't know how long this stuff gonna last for, but that looks way better, bro. So y'all, both sides to this motherfucker. This side, ashy boy, foggy. Clean. And then crispy again. So I'm gonna do both sides and hit these turn signals, the headlights. And yeah. It's pretty dope. This little $17 tool, the $10 worth of eBay buffer pads, and then this little $10 bottle. I don't remember what this costs. Yeah, it works pretty well though, bro. I recommend it for sure, y'all. Yep. All right, y'all. I got the final product. It looks smooth, real good, like really, really good. But I mean, like I said earlier, you would get like way better results if you were to do it the proven old-fashioned way, which would be to sand it and then polish it. But I mean, this works a lot better than what I thought it would. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and probably polish out these pillars too. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but they like kind of faded. If I was to pull it into the sunlight, y'all be able to see it a little bit better. Cause it got like scratches and stuff on it. I don't know if y'all can even see that or not, but yeah, there you go. Y'all can see it better right there. Yeah. And then this tail light back here too, where it got the I think it was like bird poop had just sat on it for a while. And it's like, I don't know if, yeah, y'all can see it like a little bit right there. It's like, it's definitely from bird poop. I know that for a fact. There ain't nothing else that did that but bird poop, because it looked like it dripped and then fell. But I mean, other than that, I'm finna let y'all go, man. But I mean, that little, I probably say without having to record or nothing, that probably would take you no more than 10 minutes, bro. Like, seriously. Super easy, bro. It was super easy. Came out super clean. Like I done said 1,000 times, but I'm finna let y'all go. Well, I'm probably post a video about these caps, M-style carbon fiber ones, and probably these sequentials too. And I got some lowering springs for this thing too. Just haven't put them on. I done had them for months. I think the back, they're from Godspeed, and I think the back dropped like 1 inch, and then the front more like 2 inches or 1.5 inches, something like that. But I mean, I get those installed whenever I feel like it. I just haven't felt like it at all. I finished up with school finally, but I'm gonna get to it though. I'm gonna catch y'all later.